Today we are going to be doing a craft review, the doll ping pong table. I made this behind the scenes out of spare cardboard, paperboard, more scrap paper, and popsicle sticks for legs. So, the paddles. They were pretty easy. I sketched out a design on some paperboard and covered them with paper, and then I used cut pieces of popsicle sticks for the handle. And I just cut a piece of paper and glued the ends in so it could be a holder, and I taped it to the table for easy grabbing. And that's a little ping pong table with the net, legs, and I'm going to make a mini one out of some scrap paper to show. Okay, so what you do is you sketch out a rectangle. I'm just making a really small one, sloppy small one. You sketch it out, and then you sketch out a paper as wide as the length at the bottom and as thick as you want it to be. Like this. Out of paperboard. And so then I'm just gonna cut it out. Maybe trace a few more to make it thicker. And then what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add another one out to the side, and then I'm gonna add another one that's small out to the sides. And so I'm just gonna cut it out. And do some paper folding. So fold it down the middle and fold on the sides. And then this is not how I made the actual ping pong net. I used hot glue instead, but that's not available at the moment, so I'm going to fold it over, get a small piece of tape, and put it on like so, and get it on the table. Like that. Get another piece of tape and get the other piece onto the little square of paper table. This is kind of hard to do. Okay, so you have the basic little ping pong structure, kind of similar. I'm not going to add all the paper details like on here, no. And to make the little rackets, I made this little coffee cup, and so I'm going to take my pencil, trace the opening, and fill in the gap, trace another one, and then draw two handles. They don't have to be perfect. Cut them out, tape or glue the handles onto place, and you have your little ping pong racket. For the legs, if you're making a small one, I just use a small piece, cut pieces of paperboard and maybe hot glue them to the bottom for a little pet shop maybe. And for the ball, well, I just used a bead. I didn't use it in the video because it was too small. And that is our craft review for today. So, thanks for watching.